Good afternoon, Bicolanja. It's our Thursday matchup of two of the biggest teams para dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 Seniors Division. I am Cristina Canzo Reyes at ako po ang makakasama nyo para maghatid ng aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa laban ng NCF Tigers versus Annunciation Panthers. And of course, mapapanood po tayo ng live sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have the Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Bucal Facebook page. Kaya naman po, para sa mga fans ng ating Annunciation Panthers and NCF Tigers, ito na po ang pagkakataon na mapanood po ang napakagandang laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, pag-usapan naman natin itong Annunciation and NCF Tigers kung saan nga parehas po silang nasa Division 1. At itong Annunciation Panthers, meron na po silang 2 panalo at 4 natalo para dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 Elimination Round. At makikita nga natin, hindi ito yung nakita natin during the Bucal Season 5 ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kaya talagang nakakagulat din yung naging performance ngayon ng Panthers. Kaya yung mga fans ng Annunciation hanggang ngayon talagang gustong-gusto nilang makita yung laro dito ng ating defending champion of Bucal Season 5, the Annunciation Panthers. But let's see, dahil nga meron pa rin silang chance para ilaban yung pwesto nila dito sa ating elimination round. Ano pa yung maipapakita nila, lalo na ngayon na makakalaban nila ang ating NCF Tigers na medyo maganda yung kanilang standing para dito sa ating Division 1. Kaya naman aabangan natin ano yung laban na ibibigay dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Of course, we have our players dyan na talaga nagbibigay ng lakas dito sa kanilang team. We have Fajardo, Salvacion, Alminye. Kaya aabangan natin itong mga 3 players na to na talagang nagbibigay lakas sa Annunciation Panthers. And to hear an update on their side, let's hear it from Rain. Hi Rain, update natin dyan.
Thank you, team, and good afternoon to all our live Facebook viewers here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. The battle for the second the Naga College Foundation against the Annunciation College of Bacan Sorsogon. Last matchup, the Panthers was unable to take their victory against the Tigers, but of course, this is yet another story. Buo pa din ang determination bumawi dahil sila ay grupo na may pusong Panther. To improve and to have higher chance of winning for today, they will aim to have a balanced offense and defense in the hard court. Though their focus was more on their defense, dahil ayon sa kanilang team captain, this is what they need most in observation of their previous game against the Tigers. Now let's find out who will be the victors of this game. Will it be the Annunciation College of Bacan Sorsogon, the champions of Bucal Season 5, or will it be the Naga College Foundation Tigers, the champions of the Bucal Season 4? I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacan Sorsogon. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo, team.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, labanan ng champions para sa hapon na ito. The NCF Tigers, the champion of our Bucal Season 4, and the Annunciation Panthers, ang ating winner naman during the Bucal Season 5. Yan nga, according to Rain, talagang mas binigyan ng pansin dito ng Annunciation Panthers ang kanilang depensa. And as we can see, talagang handang-handa sila ngayong hapon na ito to really give a good fight against the NCF Tigers. Pero punta naman tayo dito sa kabilang side, the NCF Tigers, kung saan meron na po silang 3 panalo at 2 talo. Medyo hindi din maganda yung ranking na to ng ating NCF Tigers kasi kung maaalala natin during the Bucal Season 5, maganda yung ranking dito ng ating NCF Tigers. At kung maaalala ko nga lang din talaga, siguro isa o wala silang talo during that season. But hindi pa nga tapos. Ito yung paulit-ulit natin sinasabi na hindi pa tapos yung laban dito ng ating NCF Tigers. And maganda din yung mga past games nila, maganda yung performance na pinapakita nila. At ngayong hapon, ano kaya pa yung ipapakita dito ng NCF Tigers ngayon na makikipag-compete sila sa ating defending champion na Annunciation Panthers. And of course, andyan yung mga players na talagang inaabangan ng ating mga manonood. We have Justin San Gabriel, we have Franco Mase na talaga ng mga magbibigay ng magandang laro dito. And to hear an update on the side of the NCF Tiger, we have Zai. Hi Zai, update natin dyan.
Good afternoon, Tin, and good afternoon to our viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I welcome you to another nerve-wracking nerve-wracking game between the Naga College Foundation Tigers and Annunciation Panthers. Both of these teams are facing a one-of-a-kind game. Today nga, it's a bit chilly outside of the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, pero sigurado ako na iinit ang laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Since the Tigers are feeling better than ever, their confidence is above the roof. That's why, stay tuned lamang here sa ating broadcast partners. This is Shula Morizay Meñano from the side of the Naga College Foundation Tigers here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan po, handang-handa na din itong ating NCF Tigers to have this matchup against the Annunciation Panthers. Kaya naman talagang aabangan natin yung labanan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start the first quarter of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers. Medyo malamig nga po sa labas at talagang nagbabadya ang pag-ulan. Kung kaya naman para sa mga fans po na manonood pa dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium, abangan nyo pa po at magmadali na kayo because we're going to start this heated matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers. And of course, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa ating Havaianas, Bigs, and Elise Sportswear. At ayan na nga po, para dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, yung ating first five. Andiyan na nga sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And of course, para dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. At andiyan na nga yung mga supporters ng mga Tigre. But on the other side, the Panthers, syempre, andyan din yung kanilang mga supporters na nakaabang sa atin para sa ating mga live coverage. Kung kaya shoutout tayo dito kay Chen Shaira Nicolas, kay Lizlen Habala na pinapa-shoutout dito si Jake Adam Badong. We have Kyle Nicolas Guzman Hachazo at kay Richard Scott Manalo. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagantabay. Now the first five of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers is now ready to conquer this matchup between these two big teams of our Bucal Season 6. Now, Salvacion and Narinzana for the jump ball here. Now, let's see, kanino kaya mapupunta ang ating first ball possession. Now, Annunciation Panthers. Jersey number 3 now. Heavily guarded here by Palilio. Passes para dito kay Palahi sa loob. Pero no good on that one. Salvacion gets that rebound. Alminye. San Gabriel, libre ngayon para sa unang basket ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, anong gagawin dito ng Annunciation Panthers? But an early foul on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, Fajardo. Ryan James Fajardo on that free throw line. That's good para sa kanyang unang basket sa free throw line. Now, unang nakakuha ng puntos itong ating NCF Tigers. Dahil dito kay Justin San Gabriel. Now, 2-on-2 para dito sa free throw ni Fajardo. We are tied on 2. Now, NCF Tigers taking their time here. Palilio ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to San Gabriel. Renzana with 15 seconds to shoot here. Palilio tries for 3, no good. Kanina nga nasabi dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, mas pag-iigihan nila yung depensa nila dito because of the height advantage of the NCF Tigers. But on that last sequence, Fajardo getting that easy too. Palahe for a big 3 para naman sa side nitong ating NCF Tigers. Palitan lang ng puntos dito. Yung pinapakawalan ng Panthers and NCF Tigers. No good in that attempt. Now NCF Tigers on the run. Steal here para dito kay Honoras. Alminye to Fajardo. Fajardo step back, passes to Alminye. Honoras ngayon para sa 3. No good. Justin San Gabriel was there to get that rebound. Passes para dito sa team captain Katamora. Palahe with that offensive rebound, getting that basket with the foul. Now, tingnan natin yung last sequence. Katamora attempts, pero Palahe was there to get that point. And a chance here for a bonus free throw. Now, Palahe to make it a big gap para sa ating first quarter. That's good. 4 na puntos ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Now, Annunciation Panthers. They are really determined to get this win para madagdagan yung panalong hawak nila. But that's an 8 seconds violation on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Turnover para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Ito yung kailangan nilang bawasan dito, and every ball possession napaka-importante para dito sa ating dalawang koponan. Now Arenzana, 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Katamora to San Gabriel. San Gabriel ngayon titira. Palahe again on the inside. Dialintana yung mga gwardiya sa loob, but an in and out ball. A chance here for the Panthers. Fajardo passes to Salvacion. Now on the corner, Almini. But a whistled foul there. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Arenzana. Still ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Another turnover para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. 8-4 on our scoreboard. 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Now Palilio passes to Arenzana. Now Katamora. Palilio ngayon going inside. Napakaganda sana noon, but he steal from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Alminye to Fajardo, big guy, to Salvacion. That's a big 3 coming from the side of the Panthers. Talagang hinabol nila agad yung 4 na puntos na kalamangan dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Now Palilio. He's still from the side of the Panthers. Babawi muli dito. Fajardo. But Palilio steal that ball. San Gabriel nagmamadali para sa 3. Easy para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now 11-7. Back to 4-point lead itong ating NCF Tigers. Now let's see. Honoras. 12 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Alminye. Babawi ba? No good. Palilio. Nagmamadali dito. Titira ng 3. NCF Tigers again. Back-to-back 3 points para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Dahil nga dyan, napatawag ng timeout itong Annunciation Panthers. 14-7 on our scoreboard. 7 puntos ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers at meron na lamang po tayong 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Napakaganda ng ating first quarter dito at itong ating NCF Tigers nakailang 3 na. At ngayon nga, napalaki na nila yung kalamangan na hawak nila ngayon dito against the Annunciation Panthers. And at this point, yung ating Panthers kailangan pang gumawa ng magandang opensa at depensa dito against the NCF Tigers. Kaya shoutout din tayo dito kina Angel Atlao, Terry, AJ Balde, kay Christian Fernandez, kay Ken Alfred Alcantara, at kay Angelo Tinebro Taduran. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay at sa pagsuporta po dito sa ating dalawang kupunan, the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers. ito po yung ating matchup ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya talagang kaabang-abang itong ating dalawang kupunan. At abangan niyo pa po yung more games natin sa Sabado at Linggo ngayong week na ito. Now, back to the ball game. Fajardo passes now. Pero that's a traveling violation na itawag dito kay Bustillo. Bagong pasok para sa Panthers. Now, San Gabriel loses that ball. Fajardo, small. Napakaliit pero grabe. Hindi alintana yung mga gwardiya sa loob ng NCF Tigers. San Gabriel babawi. No good. Palahe with that rebound. 14 seconds to shoot. Palilio, libreng-libre. Now, let's see what will the Annunciation Panthers do at this moment. Fajardo again, getting that point. Lusot kung lusot para dito kay Ryan James Fajardo ng Panthers. Now NCF Tigers basketball. Palilio, 10 seconds to shoot. Long three. No good. Bustillo ngayon. Fajardo loses that ball. Now Palahe to San Gabriel. Ngayon, ball possession na ng Annunciation Panthers but a whistled foul there. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Palilio. Napapasok na sa loob si Nagabito, Nuwada at Mase. Together with Cervantes. Papasok na rin si Brito to complete the 5 players of the NCF Tigers. Now 4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Fajardo on the free throw line. No good on that basket. Na kahit nga yung mga free throw dito, kailangan talagang maximize ng ating Annunciation Panthers. That's good. On that second try of Fajardo. Shoutout tayo dito kay John Frederico Laila, Nicole Andrea Oliva, kay Ann Talag, kay Desiree Auditor, at kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now Nuwada, 8 seconds to shoot here for the side of the NCF Tigers. Going inside, iniwan yung bantay dun sa labas. Ed Nuwada, first basket from the bench. Now Annunciation Panthers. But 6-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Mase naman ngayon titira. Good play on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, Alminie. Pass to Bustillo. Fajardo ngayon for a layup. Sasagot agad dito against the NCF Tigers. Now, 2014, Mase. Passes to Brito. Gabito was there to get that ball. Now, it's still the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Brito to inbound. 3 minutes and 15 seconds na lamang ang meron tayo dito para sa ating first quarter. Now, Gabito passes to Cervantes. Now, Nuwada again going inside. Passes on the corner para dito kay Mase. A three-pointer coming from him. Talagang Mase, one of the key players of the NCF Tigers. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 16 seconds to shoot on the side of the Panthers. Now, Salvacion. Pass to Bustillo. Babawi sa 3. Offensive rebound. Alminye on the inside para dito kay Fajardo. No good. But it will stay on the side of the Panthers with only 14 seconds to shoot. Now Bustillo. Passes here again to Fajardo. Heavily guarded. Now on the corner para dito kay Salvacion. An air ball. Foul was whistled here para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now Brito to Cervantes. Napapalaki na dito yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Now Panthers gets that ball. Almidi ngayon nagmamadali. Passes for the fadeaway shot. That's good para dito sa ating Panthers. Two minutes para dito sa ating first quarter. Mase. Offensive foul nga itatawag dito kay Mase. Chance here para sa Panthers para mas maibaba pa yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Now, Salvacion. Nagmamadali na dito ang mga Panthers. Fadeaway shot, no good. Gabito. Secure that ball para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Now, Brito. Passes to Mase. Traveling violation. Mukhang napapadami na agad dito yung nakagawang violation ni Mase. So, Guades will be there. An exchange of Mase. Now, Bustillo passes to Salvacion. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Fajardo on the inside. Pregman getting that point. You can really see the defensive side of the Annunciation Panthers to really secure the point here. Now, Brito passes to Nawada. 5 seconds to shoot here. What will they do now? Nawada, no good. Bustillo was there. Offensive foul. Offensive foul nga yun na itawag dito kay Bargayo. Penalty na nga itong ating NCF Tigers. Now Guades. To Gabito. Now Brito on the inside. Now tawagan nga ng foul dito. Si Medice, jersey number 8 ng Panthers. Still ball possession of the NCF Tigers with the last 41 seconds of our first quarter. Now Nawada. Going inside. Now tries, no good. Medice nagmamadali dito. To Bustillo. Na medyo mainit na yung laban dito ng NCF at Annunciation. Brito launches a 3. That's good! 26-18 with 12 seconds remaining on our first quarter. What will be the Annunciation Panthers action here? But a steal coming from Nawada. Tries, no good. Now, 18. Both teams are now on the penalty. Salvacion will be on the free throw line. Hindi pa naipasok yung unang attempt sa free throw line ni Salvacion. An 8-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Hindi na dapat to palakahin pa ng Panthers if they really want to take on the lead against the NCF. Salvacion. That's good. Now, 1 second remaining. And that's the end of our first quarter. 26-19 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for more action sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for our second quarter of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers. 26-19, 7-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. At doon nga sa ating first quarter, napakaganda nung opensang ipinakita dito ng ating NCF Tigers. A lot of 3 points coming from the players. We have Justin San Gabriel, Cervantes, as well as Franco Mase na talagang nag-stand out doon sa ating first quarter. And on the other side, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, talagang mas binibigyan nilang diin yung kanilang depensa dito. But now let's see sa ating pagpasok ng second quarter. But on that last sequence, a big three coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Napakagandang simula para dito sa kanila as Baragayo gets that 3-point shot. 26-22. Na ibaba na po sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. And the Panthers still need to continue this consistency dito sa ating second quarter. At syempre, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga nanonood ngayong hapon na ito. Kay Nad Gozo, kay Johari Pailaga, kay Chan Shaira Sambo Nicolas, at kay Fatima Balisoro. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay. And of course, sa ating mga sponsors, Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa ating mga sponsors. Now a 4-point lead here of the NCF Tigers. It is still their ball possession here. Mase babalik sa loob para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. 8 minutes and 59 seconds para dito sa ating second quarter. At napakaganda nga nung naging laro dito ng ating NCF Tigers. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, any updates?
Hello Tin And the Tigers are up to a good start nga as they manage to establish quite a great pressure sa kalaban. We can also see that they're initiating an impressive defense. Kita nga natin that they are also trying to initiate quite a fast play. Kaya let's see if they'll manage to be consistent towards this gameplay and keep the ball rotating. Kaya ano naman sa tingin mo, Tin, ang mangyayari for the second quarter? Back to you, Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, napakaganda ng depensa na ipinakita dito ng ating NCF Tiger as well as yung kanilang opensa. At kung makikita natin with their consistency dito sa ating second quarter, we can really see na talaga namang sunod-sunod na yung pagpuntos dito ng ating NCF Tigers. At tama nga yung dapat gawin dito ng NCF Tigers is to have this consistency if they really wanted to get this win against the Annunciation Panthers. But on the other side, medyo nakulangan lang tayo doon sa side ng Panthers, but still nakuha nila yung kanilang magandang laro dito during the end of the first quarter and talagang patuloy dito sa ating second quarter. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, team. During huddle, the Panthers were told to work as a team and always make contributions when playing. Alagaan ng bola and always know your next move. The players should have communication and must execute proper transitions when playing. Avoid dribbling the ball and focus on making plays and making a basket. Lessen turnovers and let's make it up for the first quarter ayon sa kanilang head coach na si Coach Almanzar. Now this is the Panthers ready to continue the game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, communication yung kailangan ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers between the players. Contribution ng bawat manlalaro sa loob ng hardcourt dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. And of course, mas pag-igihan pa nila yung kanilang depensa at opensa and less error as well as less turnover para dito sa Panthers. Kailangan kada bola na nakukuha nila, i-make sure na talagang it will be a good ball para sa kanila. Now, Almine on the free throw line. 28-23, 5-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now, Arenzana. Passes to Mase. Mase ngayon, babalik dito kay Arenzana with just 15 seconds to shoot here. Mase again to Laresma. Now, Bormeo. What will they do now? 5 seconds on their shot clock. Mase ngayon, mukhang mauubusan pa ng oras. And a 24 seconds violation para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Now, ito na yung kailangang gawing opportunity dito ng Annunciation Panthers. Nakada turnover dito ng NCF Tigers. Siya ng mga abante nitong ating Panthers. Now, Panthers on the run. Fajardo, balik ulit sa loob ng court. Almine. Oh, what's the foul there? Now, tatlong free throw ang ibibigay dito kay Almine. Panthers needs this 3 free throw. That's good for the first one. We'll try for the second time. That's good. Now, isa na lang to make it 26 para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Almine for the last free throw. That's good. Now, dalawa na lamang ang kanilang hinahabol dito against the NCF Tigers. Now, let's see. Bormeo. Nakuha muli ng Panthers yung kanilang momentum, consistency para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Arenzana passes here to Mase. Medyo nahihirapan dito with that defense of the Panthers. Laresma. On the inside, no good. Panthers here, chance to take on the lead or tie the game here for the second quarter. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 17 seconds to shoot for their side. Now, Salvacion passes here to Fajardo. Fajardo ngayon papasok sa loob. Heavily guarded there, but that's it. We are now tied on 28 all para dito sa ating second quarter. First deadlock para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. Now Laresma passes to Borromeo. Borromeo, no good. Pero Cervantes, no good. Or that's Lavandero, but now Alminia getting that basket, taking on the lead here para sa ating second quarter. Mase loses the ball. Chance here. Fajardo ngayon di diretso for a fast break here. Napatawag na nga ng timeout yung ating NCF Tigers after that 4 points straight galing sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 5 minutes and 52 seconds now, 28-32. Napakaganda ng pasok ng second quarter on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Talagang maganda din yung kanilang naging plano dito na lahat ng players talaga mag-contribute and communication din sa loob ng hardcourt. And yung depensa nila dito against the NCF Tigers, talagang umuubra at nahihirapan na nga dito yung NCF Tigers na makapuntos. And consistency yung kailangan nila dito dahil maaga pa yung laro natin. Meron pang chance na humabol itong ating NCF Tigers, kaya hindi dapat maging complacent itong ating Annunciation with that 4-point lead dahil madali lang yan mahabol with this halfway of our second quarter at meron pang 2 quarter na natitira dito sa ating matchup ng Panthers and NCF Tigers. Now, shoutout naman tayo dito kay Zetric Gonzalez Rodriguez, kay Hannah Moral, kay Jerry Nova, kay Leia Ferolino, kay Glazing Langat, at kay Lars Mendones. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay. Now, NCF Tigers. What will they do now with that 4-point lead coming from the Panthers? Laresma going inside. No good. Fajardo with that rebound. Panthers again on the run. Alminie, but blocked by the NCF player. Arenzana. Now Palahe. Chance here for the NCF Tigers. Pero stepping on the line. Turnover para dito. The Panthers here. Chance here to take on a big gap against the NCF Tigers. Salvacion to Fajardo to James Ryan. No good in that attempt now. Arenzana pass on the inside here for Palilio. Palahi was there. Wala pa rin. Katamora for the nth time. Wala pa rin. Now, ang dami ng opportunity sa side ng NCF Tigers, but still, they didn't get that. But Katamora get that steal. Palilio, babawi ba dito? No good. Now, medyo nagmamadali dito. Ryan! Passes to Alminie. No good. Medyo pati yung mga fans na nanonood sa atin dito sa loob. Talagang medyo kinabahan na talaga dito. So both teams hindi maipasok yung kanilang mga bola. But on that last sequence, a foul was whistled here. Katamora on the free throw line for 2 shots. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. That's good for the first free throw of Katamora. 29-32. Katamora second, no good. The Panthers Ryan James tries for 3 here. No good. Now NCF Tigers with that 3-point na hinahanap nila. Katamora getting that. Naibaba na nga sa isa dito. Panthers needs to double their effort. Now it's still the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers here with 16 seconds to shoot. Now Bargayo to inbound. 31-32. Salvacion passes to Fajardo. Heavily guarded here. Getting that point. Mukhang hindi hahayaan dito ng Panthers na makuha nitong NCF Tigers yung kalamangan ulit. Justin. Now going inside. No good. But blocked by Salvacion. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Penalty na nga itong ating NCF. Cervantes will be back on the court here. Katamora to inbound. 2 seconds. The passes to Cervantes. 3. Pero wala pa rin. Now, this is the ball possession of the Annunciation. Na kitang-kita naman talaga natin na yung determinasyon nila andito to get this win against the NCF Tigers. Now, Alminia with the ball. Fajardo, a whistle foul. Will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Arenzana natawagan ng foul na yan. Shoutout tayo dito kay Mark Andrew Abay na nagpapashoutout kay Coach Joshua Bulalakaw. Kay Roy Francisco, as in kay Beboy Monares Esquilona, na pinapashoutout din si Cyrus Puhol na nanonood sa atin ng live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now, Fajardo. No good on that second attempt. 4-point lead, hawak ngayon ng Panthers. Now, Palilio. Passes to Arenzana. 12 seconds to shoot here for the Tigers. Have they guarded here, San Gabriel to try. That's a clean 3-point shot coming from him. Napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers. So let's see on that last sequence as San Gabriel launches a clean 3 points. At dahil dyan, 1 puntos na lamang nga ang hinahabol nila dito against the Annunciation Panthers. 34-35 with 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. And of course, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors sa Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture Bucal, and special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics at ang ating mga Bucal sponsors. We have Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and Ngoyen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers, kina John Angelo Vinluan na pinapashoutout dito si Kent Montalvo, kay Vrando Espargo Trilles na pinapashoutout din si Frederico Miranda Laila at kay James Anthony Moraleda. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now we are back on the ball game. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 1 puntos na kalamangan ng Annunciation Panthers. Let's see kung makukuha na ba ng NCF Tigers yung muling kalamangan dito against the Panthers. Now, Ryan James. Loses. And a steal from San Gabriel for an easy layup. A fast break coming from him. And with that, a 1-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Nasa kanila na naman muli ang kalamangan dito sa ating second quarter. Alminya ngayon, heavily guarded here by the players of the NCF. Hindi agad binatawan ng bola. And that ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Medice. Balik sa court ng Panthers. Nabargayo to Medice. No good on that attempt. San Gabriel. Passes to Alminya here. Nagmamadali. Pero that's a whistled foul. Para dito kay San Gabriel. Nabargayo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. (36-35). 1-point lead of the NCF Tigers. A minute and 40 seconds remaining sa ating first half. No good para dyan sa first free throw ni Bargayo. Now, kailangan niya itong pangalawang free throw to tie the game. That's good. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. No, San Gabriel. Taking their time here. Palilio to Arenzana. 13 seconds to shoot here. Balik kay San Gabriel. Papasok sa loob. But a whistled foul. Natawagan nga ng foul si Medice. San Gabriel on the free throw line. That's good, breaking that tie. 37-36. Second free throw. 2-on-2 para dito kay San Gabriel. No, dalawa yung hahabulin ngayon ng Panthers. Now a 2-3 defense coming from the NCF Tigers. Medice ngayon may hawak ng bola. Attempts on 3. No good. Nagmamadali ngayon, NCF, Palilio. Pero a traveling violation. Brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. More fun traveling with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Alminya. 58 seconds remaining in our first half. Fajardo, heavily guarded here. Arenzana nasa loob. Cervantes, may hawak ngayon ng bola. 45 seconds. The pass here to San Gabriel for 3, no good. But a second chance point here para kay Cervantes. Panthers. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating NCF Tigers. 40-36. Agad-agad, 4 na puntos yung hawak nila dito against the Annunciation Panthers with only 28 seconds remaining. Talagang hindi nag-iiwanan itong ating dalawang kupunan. Defense kung defense at offense kung offense. Now, shoutout tayo dito kina John Basales, kay Jameson Brenya, kay Monteroso, James Angelo Gabarra, kay Marniela Berito at kay Irene Tosok na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. Maraming salamat po. And sa Sabado po, abangan nyo po ang ating mga laro dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Sa Sabado po, abangan nyo po ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins at ang DNHS sa ating Juniors Division. ACC versus Annunciation Panthers para sa ating juniors din. At STI versus Genesis. At ang ating pang-apat na laro po sa Sabado, it's the ACLC versus the Ateneo Juniors Division. At last po, ang ating NCF Junior Cubs at UNC Greyhounds. Now, back to the ball game with only 28 seconds remaining at 4 na puntos na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Now, Palilio. Mamadali dito. Arenzana getting that easy basket. Last ball possession here. Panthers, what will they do with that 6-point lead? Ball will stay on the side of the Panthers. Panthers, 9 seconds. Bargayo to inbound. Passes out to Salvacion, 8 seconds. But a whistled foul para dito kay San Gabriel. Bargayo, first free throw. No good. Pangalawang basket para dito kay Bargayo. Now, last free throw. 42-37. Now, 5 seconds remaining in our first half. NCF's basketball. What will they do now? Palilio. Passes to Catamora. Palilio ngayon nagmamadali. Heavily guarded here. But that's the end of our first half. 42-37 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for our second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to
And we are back for our second half of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers, kung saan nga po nakuha muli ng kalamangan nitong NCF Tigers. 42-37, a 5-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. At kung titignan natin itong ating halftime analysis, doon sa ating mga turnovers, medyo madami yung nagawa dito ng NCF Tigers. But at the same time, nagawan din nila ng paraan kung kaya nasa kanila yung kalamangan ngayon sa pagpasok ng ating second half. And of course, madami din yung kanilang offensive rebounds na nagbigay sa kanila ng daan to get more points kontra dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. But let's see dito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating labang Annunciation and NCF kung sino nga ba talaga ang makakakuha ng panalo. But at this moment, meron lang konting usapan itong ating mga officials regarding our game this afternoon. And of course, dahil dyan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors sa ating Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC. Digital graphics sa ating Bucal sponsors. We have Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngoen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Now, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook pages. Shoutout dito kay Maria, kay Roslyn Otero, kay Irene Tosok, at kay Carmelo Grabata. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, we'll continue this matchup of the Panthers and the Tigers. Now, Bustillo to inbound para sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter. Now, Ryan James for the side of the Panthers here. Heavily guarded. Now, grabe yung depensa ay pinapakita ngayon ng NCF Tigers. No good para dito sa ating Panthers. Now, chance here. Guades, pass to Brito. Brito ngayon para sa tres. Unang basket para sa ating third quarter. Now, a good start for the side of the Tigers here. At ito na nga yung pinakita nila during the first quarter up until the second quarter. And now they will continue it dito sa ating third quarter as Guades steal that ball. Nuwada getting that fast break. Now the NCF Tigers. Grabe na yung ganda ng laro kanilang pinapakita. Alminye passes now to Ryan. To jersey number 14, no good. But a whistled foul there. Ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Almia, no good on that three-point attempt. Now, Nuwada. Babawi ng tres dito. No good. Now, Annunciation Panthers. 47-37, Big Ten. Ang hawak dito ng NCF Tigers. Bustillo. 12 seconds to shoot here. Na passes to Fajardo. Pero wala pa rin para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Nagkakagawa ng bola. NCF with that ball. And that's it. Nakuha naman ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers yung puntos para dyan. At para makinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Rain. Hi Rain, any updates?
Hello, team. The Annunciation Panthers indeed are eager to take the lead as they manage to stay in momentum and balance both of their offense and defense. Still with this, continuous reminders were given because according to Coach Ron, they need this energy until the last quarter of the game. May it be on their offense and defense, they are still told on what to do for a better performance as a team. In the few minutes of the quarter, the Tigers were able to catch up and took the lead. This is the reason why the Panthers should maintain their performance even when they are in their momentum because indeed they are facing a strong opponent today. Nakabangan natin kung ano pa ang mangyayari sa larong ito. That's it for now. Balik sa'yo, team.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan na, mainit-init yung laban ngayon at laro ng Annunciation Panthers dito sa ating third quarter. What a great start for their team. At ngayon nga, titinan pa natin kung magiging continuous lang yung ganitong laro ng Annunciation Panthers. Kasi kung kanina, 10 puntos yung hawak ng NCF Tigers, ngayon na ibaba na lamang ng Annunciation Panthers sa 4 na puntos ang kanilang hinahabol. At dito naman sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, titinan pa natin kung ano pa yung kailangan nilang gawin dito sa ating third quarter. And to hear an update, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai! Anong balita natin dyan?
Then the last quarter has got to be the most exciting quarter I've witnessed since the finals. Well, napawak nga ako sa upuan ko during the 4th minute of the game. But moving back to the most crucial set, the Tigers are planning to execute their plan and put fresh legs or new sets of players sa loob ng hardcourt. They'll try to be more mature towards their approach since they sense na medyo nagka-catch up na nga ang kanilang opponents sa gameplay nila. Kaya naman, Tin, sa tingin mo, ano kayong pwedeng gawin ng Tigers para naman makayanan at malabanan ang kanilang malakas na opponent? That's all the updates I have for now. Tin, ano sa tingin mo?
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, itong ating NCF Tigers, new sets of players, yung kanilang talagang pinapakita dito. And with that new set of players, lahat din talaga gumagalaw dito at napakaganda din ng communication as well as the chemistry of the players of the NCF Tigers. And up until now, nasa kanila pa rin yung kalamangan dito sa ating third quarter. But let's see if kaya pa ba nila yung panghawakan because the Annunciation Panthers dito sa ating third quarter, mainit yung kanilang naging approach sa pagsimula ng quarter na ito. And as of now, Fajardo on the free throw line, 48-43. Fajardo, first free throw, that's good. Now let's see. Fajardo on the second free throw. That's good. 48-45. Only 3 points. Now, consistency on both sides. Mase. Now a whistle foul here. Natawagan nga ng foul itong Sinapalahe at Sandrino of the NCF and the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Nuwada. 10 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Tigers. Mid-range, no good. Palahe with that offensive rebound. Passes now to Brito for 3. No good. Now chance here for the Panthers. Fajardo. 3 points ang hinahabol nila dito. Now, Ryan James. 12 seconds to shoot here. Now what will they do now with that 3-point? Now that's a basket with a foul. Chance for a 3-point play here for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And with that, isang puntos na lamang po ang hinahabol ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And a chance here to tie the game para dito sa ating third quarter. Now Ryan. And we are now tied on 48 all. Napakagandang laban po ang ating natutuklasan at napapanood ngayon between the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers. Now Mase, heavily guarded here by Ryan. But an offensive foul. Para dito kay Mase. Napakagandang momentum para dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Good chance for them. Now, Ryan James. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. We're halfway through our third quarter. Ryan, 15 seconds to shoot. Passes to Sandrino. Sandrino for 3. No good. Nuwala secured that ball. Go. And that ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Nuwada with that foul. NCF Tigers is now on the penalty. Palilio and San Gabriel will be back on the court here. This is a heated matchup between the Panthers and the NCF Tigers. Alminia on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good. Now let's see if the Annunciation Panthers will take on a 1-point lead here for our third quarter. That's good. Now, NCF's basketball. Palilio with the ball. 48-49. Now passes to Lavandero. Now to Brito. 15 seconds to shoot here. San Gabriel to try. No good. Alminia with that rebound. Now, Panthers nagmamadali dito. Fajardo. Alminia nasa baba. Now chance here for the NCF Tigers. Four minutes and 55 seconds remaining on our third quarter. San Gabriel now. 15 seconds to shoot to Palaje. Now Palilio. Moving inside for a layup. That's good. Kailangan bumawi dito ng Annunciation Panthers. Alminie. Guardia dito ni San Gabriel. Salvacion for 3. At yan na nga. Medyo nagkakaintan na itong mga players ng NCF and Annunciation Panthers. Si Alminia nga yung tatawagan ng foul dyan. Now Palilio to inbound on the side of the NCF Tigers. 50-49. 1-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Palilio now. For 3, no good. Bustillo with that rebound. Passes now to Ryan. Ryan. Ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Hindi agad binatawan doon ni Ryan James yung bola dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. 4 minutes and 1 second remaining. 50-49. Now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. And shoutout po kay Nad Gozo na nanonood pa galing sa Lupi. Kay Carl Morales at kay Jasper Abante. Shout out Jasper. Now Palilio going inside for that 2 shots. No good. Palahi was there. But Ryan James gets that ball. Now. Ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Tigers now on the penalty. Fajardo back on the court here. Bargayo now on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good for the first attempt. Deadlock on 50. Chance to take on the lead. That's good. 51-50. Now NCF's basketball. Palilio. 17 seconds to shoot here. Passes now to San Gabriel. San Gabriel on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good para sa unang basket ni San Gabriel. 51 all. 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Now, happy birthday kay Zid Ashley Abrasaldo. Nagaling pa yan kay Roddy Fulgar. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. And shoutout din po kay Kyla Casurya na nanonood sa atin ng live ngayon. Maraming salamat. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Both teams are now on the penalty. Bustillo. First basket. Second attempt, no good. Ball will go on the side of the Panthers. 14 seconds to shoot for the Panthers here. Salvacion. Now passes to Ryan James. 8 seconds to shoot. 52 deadlock. Fajardo. Heavily guarded here. Pass on the outside for Salvacion. No good. No chance here for the NCF. San Gabriel. Passes on the corner. Para dito kay Brito. Palilio back to San Gabriel. Going inside. Loses that ball. Panthers on the run, but a steal coming from Brito. Palahi ngayon will try on the 3-point spot. No good. Arenzana, big man to San Gabriel. And that's a big 3 coming from San Gabriel after that obstacle on their side. 52-55. Now, Ryan James, he's still from the side of the NCF Tigers. Palahi. To San Gabriel again for a second time. 6 big points coming from Justin San Gabriel after that timeout. 58-52. Now let's have a replay on that last sequence. San Gabriel putting up a big 3 here. 2 3 points yung binigay sa atin ni San Gabriel. 55-52. 3 puntos na kalamangan mula sa ating NCF Tigers. Big thanks para dito kay Justin San Gabriel. Napakaganda ng momentum. Yung unang 3, napakalinis. And then for a second 1, para dyan sa tres. Nakuha muli nitong si San Gabriel 58-52. 6 points yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. And a quick shoutout kay Jacob Manuel Severo Hilario na pinapa-shoutout si John Ray Gaor, kay Jay Alvarez, kay Lorenzo Campado na nagpapabati ng happy birthday sa point guard ng Mariners na si Vincent Angelo Imperial Chavez. Maraming salamat po and happy birthday po sa inyong lahat. Now, Annunciation Panthers tries for 3, no good. Ngayon, NCF Tigers muli ang may hawak ng bola. A minute and 40 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Now, San Gabriel again. Will it happen again? No good this time. Now, Palahe for that second chance point. Anong gagawin ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers? Nakuha muli ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang momentum. Papawi dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. Hindi hinayaan na maging malaki yung kalamangan na hawak ng mga Tigre. Now, San Gabriel. May hawak muli ng bola. 5-point lead of the NCF. Palay, fadeaway shot. That's good. Good play coming from the players of the NCF Tigers. Now, Salvacion. Passes to jersey number 13. Fajardo ngayon. Bustillo. 5 seconds to shoot here. Loses that ball. NCF Tigers on the run. Brito nagmamadali dito. Ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 27 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Napakagandang quarter yung pinakita sa atin ng Annunciation as well as the NCF Tigers. Now let's see as we continue this matchup of two champions of Bucal. Now, nabigyan nga ng warning dito sa bench ng Annunciation Panthers. Now, Ryan James. Passes to Salvacion. 25 seconds remaining in our third quarter. 18 seconds to shoot. Taking their time here. 62-55, 7-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Ryan James passes to Salvacion. For 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Ryan James ngayon. Wala pa rin. But a whistled foul there. Fajardo now on the free throw line with .86 counts remaining. Now Fajardo, first free throw, good. Now for the second free throw, let's see. At ayan nga po ang pagtatapos ng ating third quarter, 62-56. A 6-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for the fourth and last quarter of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. now down to our fourth and last quarter of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers. Kung saan nga po nasa side ng NCF Tigers yung 6 na puntos na kalamangan. And now, a good third quarter po yung napanood natin dahil muling nagbalik yung momentum sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. While on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers, pinakitaan tayo ng magandang laban dito. Now let's see dito sa ating huling quarter kung ano nga ba yung magiging desisyon. Will it be the Annunciation Panthers or the NCF Tigers that will take home their win this afternoon? Now, dito nga sa ating fourth quarter, talagang bakbakan kung bakbakan yung ipapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Deciding quarter of this matchup now. Still from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, Fajardo. Diretso, pass to Almiñe. Now, to Bargayo. Now, that's a big three coming from the Annunciation Panthers. What a great way to start this last quarter. Now, back to 3-point lead ang hawak dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, Palahe. But a whistle foul there. Almiñe with that foul. Now, NCF Tigers naghahanap dito ng magiging puntos. Natitingnan natin as Annunciation Panthers get that basket at isang puntos na lamang nga ang hawak ngayon ng mga Tigre. And they need to do something about this as we are now on the fourth quarter of the game. And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai! Update natin dyan.
Medyo dumulas nga ang claws ng Tigers earlier as they committed a lot of turnovers. Pero this time, I think they regained their energy since all I can observe is the point after point of shots. It's looking good for the Tigers, kaya let's hear the scream of their loudest roar dito sa loob ng court during this last quarter. Pero para sa'yo naman, Tin, anong masasabi mo sa sudden change of momentum na ito?
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, napakaganda nga nung third quarter on the side of the NCF Tigers. And ngayon nga dito sa ating fourth quarter, itong ating NCF Tigers, medyo hindi natin inaasahan na yung mabilisang change of momentum dito kasi the Annunciation Panthers talagang bumabawi din dito. Now, Almiñe, libre, getting that point. At ngayon, hawak na nga ng Annunciation Panthers. At hindi natin alam kung sino nga bang uuwi ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, let's hear it from Ray.
Thank you, Tin. Just like the reminders last quarter, players were told to avoid turnovers and be attentive when playing. During huddle, Coach Rod instructed them to be wiser in making decisions in the hard court. Focus on the game and avoid unnecessary actions. Specific plays for the next quarter has been told to be implemented with the fourth quarter starting. They should be able to figure out on how to make it count because the opponent are in the lead. Mananaig kaya ang pusong Panther hanggang sa dulo ng larong ito. Yan ang dapat natin kapanganaon here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Every basketball, every possession counts para sa kanila dahil papalit-palit lang tayo ng momentum dito sa ating fourth quarter. Kung kanina nasa Annunciation Panthers, ngayon nasa NCF Tigers, and back to Annunciation Panthers. So ngayong fourth quarter, very crucial, very critical na hindi dapat magkamali o less error o less turnover para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan kasi hindi natin alam kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo dito dahil napaka higpit po nung ating laban dito. 64-63, only 1 point yung hawak ngayon na kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. And let's see, will it continue as the fourth quarter progress or the Annunciation Panthers babawi dito at makukuha yung malaking kalamangan against the NCF Tigers. Now, it's the ball possession of the Panthers here. Almiñe passes now to Salvacion. Tries for 3, no good. NCF Tigers on the run now. Pero bago yan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay na Team Giba, Andre Realo, kay John Benedict Monedera, at kay Angel Atlawa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now back to 3-point lead ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. Now Ryan James passes to Salvacion. Salvacion ngayon, what will he do? Alminye passes to Ryan James with only 5 seconds to shoot here. Tries, no good. Pero wala na nga doon, naubusan ng oras itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now chance here, Palilio passes on the inside. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Grabe, sobrang init na nung tapatang NCF at Annunciation Panthers dito. Now NCF's basketball. Arenzana to Katamora. Now to Cervantes. No good. Arenzana for that rebound. But a whistle foul there. Arenzana no good on that first free throw. 66-63. 3-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Arenzana on the second free throw. That's good. Now Panthers here. Kailangan gawa ng paraan to. Hindi dapat malayo yung puntos na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Now, jersey number 8, Medice. Alminye tries for 3, no good. Kailangan i-make sure ng Annunciation Panthers na kada ball possession na hawak nila ay talagang they can do a point here out of that possession. Now, Alminye again. But this time, may foul. (67-63). Alminye on the free throw line. Shoutout dito kay Gwen Ponlertskan, Abel Yagan at kay Isabel. Sabay na din natin si Nachi Gahato na mga supporters po ng ating Annunciation Panthers, at kahit wala po sila dito, ramdam na ramdam natin yung support na ibinibigay nila through our live coverage. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now 67-65, only 2 points ang hawak dito ng ating NCF Tigers. 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Now it's the NCF's basketball. Long pass here, Nuwada. Heavily guarded here on the inside. And Annunciation, nagkakagawa. Nuwada again with that ball. Passes here. Tries, no good. Arenzana with that ball. Cervantes, 5 seconds to shoot here. And this time, at the end time, a lot of opportunities at the end. Cervantes gets that ball. Now Fajardo. Didiretso dito. But blocked by Arenzana. Both big man. Big man to big man para dito sa Panthers and the NCF Tigers. But this is still the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. And heated A heated matchup between these two teams now. Tries on the corner. Clean basket para dito kay Bargayo ng Panthers. Now, 1-point lead. Palilio, babawi ng 3. No good. Pero andyan si Cervantes for a second chance point. Hindi hahayaan dito ng NCF Tigers na makalamang itong ating Annunciation Panthers. But let's see on the side of the Panthers, what will they do now? Now, Medice. 13 seconds to shoot here. Bargayo again. No good this time. Pero, a second chance point here. Napakagandang laban. 71-70. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Let's see. They're taking their time now. Palilio. 13 seconds to shoot on the side of the Tigers. Nuwada. What will he do now? 5 seconds remaining. Katamora. Pero nakuha pa yan. Fast-paced game on our remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds of the game. Fajardo. What will he do now? Going inside, Arenzana again! Blocked by Arenzana. Now this is the game that we all want to see. Cervantes. No good on that one. Panthers getting that ball. It's Fajardo versus Arenzana. Big man of the season. Now, Medice. 10 seconds to shoot here. Fajardo, munti ka nang mawala ng bola on the inside. Salvacion for 3. No good. But Medice with a second chance point. Grabe, itong ating Panthers and Tigers. Walang papaawat sa dalawang kuponan na to. Nagkakainitan na din dito si Arenzana and Fajardo. Now Palilio with the ball. 13 seconds to shoot on the side of the NCF Tigers. But it will stay on their side. 73-72. Now let's see with this remaining time. Kung ano nga ba yung mangyayari sa laro ng Panthers and Tigers. Mahirap sabihin kung sino yung mananalo. Dahil talagang mainit yung labanan ng dalawang kuponan na ito. Arenzana ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to Nuwada. 3 seconds on the shot clock, Mase. And that's it. Natawagan nga ng 24 seconds violation itong ating NCF Tigers. Sayang. A lost opportunity for the NCF Tigers. But a great chance para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers to take on the lead dito sa ating matchup. Now, Bargayo to inbound. Passes now to Ryan James. Now, let's see here. Salvacion. Will the Annunciation Panthers get this? A whistled foul here. Foul whistled to San Gabriel. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And shoutout din tayo dito kay Itoy Mansor, de Tisio Pacifico, John Lee Antonio, Kyle Alolor, John Lee Antonio, kay Zane Cortez, Terry, Seth Isaiah Belano at kay JP Palmaria. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now, a steal from the Panthers here. Pero back-to-back steal here. Mase with that ball. Dancing with the Panthers. Loses it. Fajardo, libreng-libre. Getting that lead, a 1-point lead for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And our live audience is going wild as this matchup of the Panthers and Tigers. Napakaganda po ng ipinapakita ng dalawang ito. And all throughout the season, yung ating Panthers, napakaganda ng laban na kanilang ibinigay ngayong hapon na ito. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na nanonood sa atin ngayon at talagang inaabangan din yung matchup nitong ating NCF Tigers and Annunciation Panthers. And we only have 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining, 73-74. Napakagandang laban, and of course lahat ng players dito talagang binibigay nila yung best nila dito. And it's good to watch this kind of matchup between these two big teams of our Season 6. 73-74, and of course shoutout din tayo dito kay JC Claro, Carl Justin Versicluz, kay Beboy Esquilona, Seth Isaiah, kay Maui, at kay John Federico Laila na kanina pa natin nakikita dito na talagang all out yung suporta para sa ating Annunciation Panthers na kahit hindi nga sila nakapunta dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium, yung support na ibinibigay nila through live, ramdam na ramdam po ng Annunciation Panthers. And now, let's back on the ball game dahil napakaganda na po ng laban. 73-74. Now, NCF Tigers with the ball possession with 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Now, San Gabriel. 8 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3. No good. Now, Panthers again with the ball. Chance for them here to get on a big gap here. Dahil hindi na nga tayo nakakakuha ng medyo malaking kalamangan dito. But that's still on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, they're taking their time now. Palilio passes to San Gabriel. Tries for 3. And that's a big 3 coming from San Gabriel. Grabe talaga, hindi mo kailangan o dapat bantayan mo palagi itong si San Gabriel dahil hindi mo alam. And now, he's still here. Palahe. Passes to Catamora. Heavily guarded now. Blocked by Salvacion. Loses that ball. And it will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Well, on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers, what a good matchup yung pinapakita natin or ng Panthers ngayong gabing ito. At para makarinig tayo ng quick update on the side of the Panthers, let's hear it from Rain.
Thank you, team. An intense matchup, we may call it, as the Panthers are eager to make their way to the top despite having a strong opponent today. With a close gap in the score and remaining time that they have, they should be in their best time in making decisions. Kaya naman abangan natin kung pusong Panther ba ang mananalo sa larong ito. Yan ang update on this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Still, andyan pa rin yung determinasyon nila para makuha yung panalo nila ngayong hapon na to against the NCF Tigers. Walang papatalo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. While on the other side, the NCF Tigers, napakaganda yung pinapakita nila together with Justin San Gabriel. And a quick update coming from Zai. Hi Zai! Update natin dyan.
Both teams are giving it their all. Ang mga fans ay nasa edge na ng kanilang mga upuan at bleachers. Puso at lakas na lang ang nagpapatakbo sa mga manlalaro. This game could go either way, pero isa lang ang tiyak, ang huling moments ng laban na ito will be nothing but short of thrilling. Maging handa sa posibleng game-winning shot or crucial defensive stop. We'll keep you updated as the final minutes or seconds unfold. Tension is at an all-time high. Walang gustong bumitaw sa laban na ito. Kaya naman Tin, kamusta naman ang reaction ng mga manonood natin dyan? Back to you.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga yung ating mga live audience dito. Zai talaga namang on the edge of their seat na. At kahit yung ating mga live viewers dito sa ating Facebook pages, talaga nga binibigay na nila yung kanilang mga suporta dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And the NCF Tigers, ngayon nga, hawak nila yung 2 puntos na kalamangan dito. And we're just having a 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining. Now, let's see. San Gabriel again, no good this time. Panthers on the run here with that ball possession. 2 points ang hinahabol nila dito. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Walang bibitaw Will it be the Panthers or the NCF Tigers? Walang bumibitaw dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And with that, a timeout was called here. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. 76-74. 2-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. But still, buhay na buhay pa po ang laban ng Annunciation Panthers dito. At katulad nga ng sabi ni Zai, crucial, last minute, last second yung ipapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. So, let's see. At kung kitang-kita niya po ang ating mga live audience dito, talagang kahit sila excited makita kung sino nga ba yung makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na to. Kasi worth it eh. Worth it kung NCF Tigers ba nang uuwi ng panalo. Napakagandang performance yung pinakita nila. Kaya hindi din tapon yung kanilang pagkakataon kung sila man ang manalo. Kahit na din itong ating Annunciation Panthers, kung sila man ang manalo ngayong hapon na ito, ganun din. Hindi mo masasabi na luto yung laban dahil napakaganda ni laban hanggang dulo nitong Annunciation Panthers as well as the NCF Tigers. Kaya para sa mga supporters po, kapit lamang po kayo dahil meron na lamang tayo 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. Kaya hi naman dyan dito sa ating mga live audience sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. And kudos din kay Justin San Gabriel on the side of the NCF Tigers. Kanina pa nagpapaulan ng tres dito. And on the other side, yung defensive side ditong ating Annunciation Panthers, napakaganda din. And now, it's their ball possession with 17 seconds to shoot. Now, Ryan James to inbound. 17 seconds to shoot on the side of the Panthers here. Now, Almiña pulls up a three-point shot, but a second chance point was given on this team. Bargayo talagang nakabang dyan sa baba. 76 all, deadlock again with 56 seconds remaining. Now, Justin San Gabriel, medyo delikado dito sa NCF. Now, passes on the inside, loses it. Now, chance here for the Panthers. Almiña getting that ball and taking on the lead against the NCF Tigers. Now, let's see on that recap. Almiña, ganda. Napakaganda dito. 76-78. Last 39 seconds. Para sa mga supporters po ng NCF at ng ating Annunciation Panthers, kapit lamang po kayo. Hindi pa tapos yung bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. At kahit isang laro nga lang po yung meron tayo ngayong araw na to, hindi din talaga tayo binigo dahil napakaganda po ng kanilang ipinakita ngayong hapon na ito. And with that, let's give thanks to our bigs in the sportswear and uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons and Trading and Industries Incorporated, ang ating mga Bucal sponsors. Maraming salamat po. Now, last 39 seconds. 76-78. Panthers on the lead of 2 points. At napakahaba pa po ng 39 seconds na yan in this very crucial game. Now let's see. Will it be the NCF Tigers or the Annunciation Panthers? Now this is the real game we've all been waiting for, and elimination round pa lang po to. Wala pa tayo sa quarterfinals, but still a good matchup. Now one of the players of the NCF Tigers is now down, and that's Gabito. Now, back to the ball game tayo. NCF's basketball. They have the chance here to tie the game or even take on the lead. Palilio to inbound. San Gabriel with the ball. 11 seconds, a long three, no good. Now Panthers taking their time. Calm down. Ryan James having the ball. Passes now to Almiñe, heavily guarded by Palillo. 20 seconds remaining. 8 seconds on the shot clock of the Annunciation Panthers. Heavily guarded dito. Grabe yung depensa ng NCF Tigers. Pero stepping on the line itong si Bargayo. 11 seconds remaining. Will it be the Annunciation Panthers getting this win, or will we be having an overtime? Let's see. As an 11 seconds for this matchup is still a long time. Kapit lamang po kayo. Meron pang chance itong ating NCF Tigers na muling buhayin yung laro. NCF's now on the penalty. 11 seconds, 76-78. Katamora passes now to Palillo. Palillo with the ball. But a whistled foul with the remaining time of 6 seconds. And it's still the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. At meron pa pong laro itong ating NCF Tigers sa UCCL this Saturday and Sunday. Kaya medyo talagang bakbakan kung bakbakan itong ating NCF Tigers. Now let's see. Palillo to inbound again. 6 seconds. 2-point lead coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Tries for a tip 3. No good. San Gabriel wala rin. And that's it. I think we've known who's the winner after this thrilling, crucial, and critical game. The Annunciation Panthers will go home with the win, a big win against the NCF Tigers. Now this is the matchup we've all been waiting for at nagtapos na nga po sa score na 76-78 in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. What a great game and what a quarter we've all been waiting for. At sa ating pong pagbabalik, makikilala na po natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Indeed, they are not called the champions of the Bucal Season 5 for no reason, because they managed to take their victory today against the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Now, the best player of the game is brought to you by KD Sports and Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga City. Coming from the bench with 15 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals, jersey number 16, Mr. Mark Brian Almiña. So, good afternoon and congratulations. So, kwentuhan mo naman kami kung ano ba naging motivation mo sa laro nyo ngayong araw.
Ano lang po, suporta ng family ko at ng team namin, saka sila coach. Thank you sa tiwala.
And knowing that this is your victory, ano ba ang naging journey ng Annunciation Panthers para makarating kayo sa spot na ito?
Ano po? Sobrang hirap ng inan namin kasi galing kami sa talo po. Tsaka pinag-igihan po namin sa practice. Kaya eto, nakuha po namin panalo ngayon.
And with that, I am giving you the floor na mag-shoutout o magpasalamat sa mga taong sumuporta sa iyo at sa team mo ngayong araw.
Maraming salamat po sa family ko, sa girlfriend ko, kay Yana, tsaka kay Sir Richard, sa Vice President namin, sa President, tsaka Ma'am Jean, kay Coach Ron, sa mga teammate ko, thank you so much po. Salamat sa tiwala, sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, thank you so much po.
So once again, jersey number 16 with 15 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals, and also the defensive player of the game. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of Bacan Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 16, Mark Brian Almiña with 15 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals. Now, what a great game against the NCF Tigers. At napakaganda nga po nung laban na ipinakita nila. At hindi pa po tapos yan dahil sa ating Sabado at Linggo, maraming teams po ang maghaharap-harapan. And I am Cristina Reyes para maghatid po sa inyo ng magagandang laban only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.